Hi, I'm Natalia from the Missouri City Branch Library, and I have a confession. I love Wikipedia. What do I love about Wikipedia? Okay, so there's a ton of things I love about Wikipedia. But if you're like me, you've heard that Wikipedia is simply unreliable. What gives? Wikipedia is a crowdsourced encyclopedia. This means that almost anyone who creates an account on Wikipedia can edit almost any article. But here's a disclaimer. Editing on some articles is restricted to trusted administrators to prevent vandalism. The fact that Wikipedia relies on volunteer contributors is probably a major reason you've been told not to use Wikipedia. But using Wikipedia isn't all that different from using any other source. We all know it's not a good idea just to trust a source because it's out there. In fact, Wikipedia is an especially good place to start learning about a topic. Just follow a few simple tips to use Wikipedia more wisely. Before you start reading, consider what you're going to use this Wikipedia article for. Are you just curious about the topic? Are you writing a paper for school or trying to remember something? There are appropriate ways to use Wikipedia for any of these purposes. You just may want to subject the article to a little more scrutiny if you're going to use Wikipedia for school than if you're just trying to remember a piece of information. Now it's time to put on your critical thinking hat and investigate what you can about the author and their sources. Since each Wikipedia article was likely written and edited by many contributors, it's a little harder to research their beliefs and affiliations than it would be to learn about the author of a printed encyclopedia article. You can learn a little bit about what's important to the contributors by selecting the View History and Talk tabs in the top bar of each Wikipedia article. The View History tab shows you edits that have been made to the page, along with the username of the contributor who made that edit. The Talk section shows you conversations between Wikipedia contributors on the topic of the article. In these sections, you may be able to identify perspectives and priorities of the contributors. Everyone has personal features and specific life experiences that affect how they see the world and understand other people and events. You just want to make sure that authors aren't leaving out important information or twisting the truth to advance their own beliefs. That's why it's a good idea to scout out the contributors a little bit. You can do further evaluation by taking a look at the sources that Wikipedia contributors have used in writing their article. To do this, scroll all the way to the bottom of the article. Keep scrolling. Keep scrolling. There, references. Notice what kinds of sources are used. Are they predominantly reputable publications or fringe publications and personal blogs? Maybe your teacher doesn't want you to cite a Wikipedia article, but they would probably love it if you cited a New York Times article, an article from a scholarly journal, or another great source that a Wikipedia contributor put in the references of their article. Then, as you return to the body of the article, make notes of any key words or technical terms that keep coming up. Research these later. Basically, think of Wikipedia as a research trampoline. It's not the final place you want to end up, but it's a great place to start your research, and it will give you ideas to jump off to other sources. Thanks for thinking about Wikipedia with me today. Do you have any questions about Wikipedia or any other research topics? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the Fort Bend County Adult Programs channel.